When the weather outside is nothing but snow, sleet, and cold, it's the perfect excuse to slow down and make something comforting. Today, I'm stirring up a pot of creamy chicken pot pie soup that'll warm you right up.
Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, as you saw, we are getting a winter storm right now. We now have about 6 inches of snow out there, and unfortunately it has been nothing but ice coming down now for probably the last 3-4 hours, so it's going to be a hot mess out there. So what better day to make soup? So we're going to be making a creamy chicken pot pie soup. So I'm really excited for that for this cold winter day. So let's stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and then we'll get started. Alrighty friends, so I have some Better Than Bouillion. I love this stuff whenever I do soups or casseroles or stuff with the chicken. But you don't have to use that. You can just use, I'll put in what normally you would use. It's the some poultry seasoning and some thyme. I just use a little bit of this and it gives it such a great flavor. I have some heavy whipping cream. I have 2 medium-sized potatoes chopped. I have 2 stalks of celery chopped, 2 medium carrots chopped, 1 onion chopped, a cup of frozen corn, a cup of frozen peas. I have some olive oil, chicken broth, some chopped garlic, and then I have about 2 cups of chicken, rotisserie chicken, and then I have a flour back there. We're just going to use a little bit of flour in this dish. And friends, that is all the ingredients we're going to be using. So let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so I have my fire on. I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to add in a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and let this melt down, and then we're going to cook our onion, carrots, and celery. Alrighty, so we're going to go ahead and put in our chopped onion. Our 2 carrots that are chopped. And our 2 stalks of celery. And we're going to go ahead and give this a really good stir, and we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to come back and add in our flour. So we're going to go ahead and let this go for a few minutes, and then we'll be back. Alrighty, so now we're going to add in our garlic. We're going to add 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Y'all know I love my garlic. I'm going to give that a quick stir and just cook that for about a minute. Alrighty. So now we're going to slowly add in our flour. 1/3 cup of flour. And we are going to stir this for about a minute. So we want to make sure we get rid of that floury taste. Just want to stir that. Let it go for about a minute. And now we're going to add in our chicken broth. 4 cups of chicken broth. Okay, we're just going to mix this around really well. So to make sure there's no flour clumped up. I always say glumped. I have no idea why. And I think we did well. I don't see any flour. I'm going to let it come to a slight boil, and then we're going to add our potatoes and some of the seasoning. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and add in a teaspoon, a nice generous teaspoon of the Better Than Bouillion. And like I said, you can use poultry seasoning with a little bit of thyme. But I just love this stuff. I think it gives it a much better flavor, but you don't have to use it. I'll have both ingredients in the description box in the recipe for you. All that out of there. Alrighty. And now I'm going to add in my potatoes. Let's give that a stir. And then we're just going to add in a little bit of salt and pepper for taste. I forgot to mention this in the beginning when I went over all the ingredients. You don't want to add too much. You just want enough to taste. And then you can always add it at the end if you need it. Alrighty, so now we're going to let this boil, and once it boils we're going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Okay, alrighty, we have brought it to a boil. Now we're going to turn it down, and we're just going to let it simmer, like I said, for about 12 to 15 minutes. Alrighty, so this has been going for about 12 minutes. Now we're going to add in our cup of frozen peas, our cup of frozen, I was going to say lima beans, corn, and our chicken. Alrighty, so let's give this a good stir. Our potatoes. We want to make sure those potatoes are done as well. Yeah. Oh, this smells so good. It looks delicious. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. Does that look absolutely delicious? Alright, now we're going to add in our cup of cream. Give it a good stir. Alright, we're going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes and then we'll check back in. Alrighty friends, we are done and it is time for our taste test. So let me make a bowl and we'll do a quick taste test. Alright friends, so Aunt Jean is still here and we are going to do a quick taste test of this creamy chicken pot pie soup.
Okay.
Oh, hot. Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Good.
Yeah. It tastes like pot pie.
Mm-hmm.
It really does. Oh, I like it.
I highly recommend this.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Oh my goodness. This is really good, guys. Oh my. It tastes just like chicken pot pie. Without the crust.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Save on the calories.
Yeah. Just had potato and it was very hot. Alright my friends, so that'll do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button as it does greatly help me out. And also, please consider checking me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye!